Jessie from Bottle Packaging. Today I'm going to show you around our factory. After that, you'll be quite familiar with our production process. Okay, let's get started.
This is our sample showroom. We have plenty of samples in warehouse. We can provide plain samples for free or customize samples color and printing for you. This is our workshop of PET bottle. The preform will be heated and blowed in the mold. In that way, a bottle is made. This machine is producing HDPE bottle. It can also be used for LDPE or PP material. The raw material grains are heated and flowed into the mold and being blowed.
This is raw material of HDPE from Sinopec, which is a super big company in China. We have all kinds of test report of it.
This is our silk screen printing workshop. Now we are printing various bottles. There is a plate with the text and pattern from your artwork and printing ink. One color is printed each time. This is our workshop of injection molding. This is our workshop of glass bottle and jar. We have multiple models for you to choose. We'll spray the color on bottle and do printing or hot stamping later.
This is our warehouse with so much space. As you can see, we store the bottles here. We use 5-layer corrugated cartons, which are very strong for your products.